In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can integrate Notion with Slack. So as you can see, here's my Notion account, here's my Slack account, and you also want to have both of these accounts open on one browser. So I have these two open right here. You also want to go to this website called Zapier, and Zapier is basically an integration tool where you can integrate different platforms with each other. So you can hit the link in the description as well. And once you created your account, it will look like this. So what we need to do, we need to create a Zap right here, just like that. And now we can basically connect Notion and Slack. So the trigger will be in Notion. So let's type in Notion. And we can choose an event. So when something happens on Notion, what should happen on Slack then? So let's select the trigger event, which is a new database item. Continue. We have to choose an account. So I already have my account linked to Zapier. If you have not, you can hit connect new account right here, and a window will pop up where you can connect with Notion. So let's go and hit continue, and we can choose the database. I select journal, but you can do anything you want. And then we can hit continue right here, and it's going to test trigger with Zapier itself to see if it's working. And as you can see, we found a database item, so that means it's working. Now we have to continue to the action, which is what's going to happen on Slack once this is happening. So we can type in Slack, just like that. We can choose an event. So we can choose any of these events right here. So let's say send direct message, add reminder. So let's say we hit send direct message right here on Slack. We can hit continue then, and we have to sign into Slack just like that. As you can see, Zapier is requesting permission to access Slack. You obviously want to hit allow right there, and now it's going to connect with Zapier. There we go. We can hit continue, and now we can set up this Zap. So we can rename this as well. So let's call it Notion to Slack. Send multiple messages, no, to username. So my Slack account, it's completely empty. Same for Notion, because I just created these accounts to show you how to work with Zapier. But this is basically where you can enter in the username, the message text sent as a bot. So if you hit yes, then it will show that it's a bot. We can add a name, an icon. You can basically customize this however you want in your own style. Then you can hit finish, and that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.